Hey friends, if you wish to disable automatic Windows activation pop-up in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we need to open the registry editor. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Now expand it. We have a left pane and we have a right pane. Okay. In the left pane, you need to scroll down to the key H key local machine software Microsoft, then scroll down to Windows NT and then go to current version, then scroll down to software protection platform and then activation. In the right pane we have the manual key, double click on it and change the value data to 1. Click on OK. So this will fix the problem and you will not get those automatic Windows activation pop-ups in Windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.